so much for tuning in. Today I'm here to show you how I dye my locks jet black using box hair dye. It actually turned out really well, so if you'd like to see how I achieved this look, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, so it's a couple days later. You can see my hair. I just put them in like some 2-strand twists for now. But yeah, I think the color turned out really well. I don't think it looks like too drastic, but it's just like the perfect black to me. Thank you so much for watching this video and staying till the end. If you have any questions about my locks, please comment below. I have a few frequently asked questions answers in the description box about like how many locks I have, how I started them. So please refer to that, but also shoot me a comment. I'm pretty good about responding to those. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.